Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Yakiniku Onigirazu. Onigirazu tastes exactly like onigiri rice balls, but you don't need to make the signature triangle shape, so it's much easier. And today I'm making some yakiniku, Japanese beef barbecue filling, but the filling can be anything, so please arrange as you like. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Yakiniku Onigirazu, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 400 grams of thinly sliced beef, any part you like, but it's thinly sliced. ほうれん草ともやしのサラダ. This is the dish I made in my previous video. So if you haven't watched it yet, watch it first and please come back. Some nori seaweed. 1 tablespoon each of sesame seeds, sugar, and garlic paste. 2 tablespoons each of sesame oil and soy sauce, and some salt and pepper. I'm going to cook the rice first, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Let's put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Cover with the lid and let it sit for half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's make the yakiniku filling. Heat up frying pan over medium to medium-high heat and let's cook the beef. No need to add any oil. Fat will come out from the beef. Cook until it's browned. Once it's completely cooked, add all the seasonings. Sesame oil, soy sauce, sugar, garlic paste, some salt and pepper, about half a teaspoon. And if you want to make it spicy, add some gochujang, Korean spicy paste. Then keep cooking until there is almost no liquid left. Looks good. Turn the heat off and let's add the sesame seeds. Give it a mix. The yakiniku filling is ready. It's been half an hour, so let's start to cook the rice. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it cook for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. Steaming is very important, so don't pass the process. No sneak peeking. Steam for 10 minutes, so let's fluff it. Okay, now I have everything to make onigirazu, so it's time to assemble. Prepare a small bowl to standardize the size of each onigirazu. Prepare plastic film. Place nori seaweed diagonally, not like this, like this. And when you look at the nori seaweed closely, there's a shiny side and rough side, or smooth side and rough side. Place it with the rough side facing up. Sprinkle some salt in the middle. Put the rice in the bowl. Using wet spoon, put half of the rice in the middle. And try to spread it out into square shape. Always keep the spoon wet. And try not to make it too wide. Some salad. Yakiniku filling. The rest of the rice. Fold the corners in to wrap. Then wrap with the film. Rather tight. Let me show you one more time. This time, my view. Plastic film. Nori seaweed diagonally with the rough side facing up. Some salt in the middle. Rice in the bowl. Using wet spoon, half of it on the nori seaweed. Try to make it into square shape. Some salad. Yakiniku filling. the rest of the rice. Fold the corners in. Then wrap with the plastic film. I made 8 onigirazu using 2 cups of rice, and I have some salad and yakiniku filling left over, which I can have as is. Let's cut and see how it looks inside. Prepare wet cloth and knife. Wipe the knife using the wet cloth so the knife is slightly wet. Then let's cut it into half. Let's try. いただきます。Vegetable, protein, and carb in one bite. So it's very nutritious and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Yakiniku Onigirazu goes here, and it also covers the main and one of the side dishes. How about wakame soup here and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!